Yes, good morning one and all. In the last class, we discussed about algebraic expression. From that lesson, we discussed about what is the meaning of variable, constant, algebraic term, algebraic expression and their types. Variable is nothing but it varies from one value to another value. Constant is nothing but a fixed value. Algebraic term is nothing but it is a combination of constant and variable. Algebraic expression is nothing but it is a combination of algebraic terms. Again, algebraic expression is classified into three types: monomial, binomial, trinomial expression. Monomial is nothing but a single term. Binomial is nothing but two terms. Trinomial is nothing but three terms. More than three terms is nothing but polynomial. Today we are going to discuss about polynomials. Poly means more. From that lesson, the first thing is zero polynomial. See, zero polynomial means in our mind the more than three terms is nothing but polynomials. Not only for that, we are not using only that point to define a polynomial. Polynomial is nothing but more than three terms and their degrees also unique degrees. See here, from that polynomial, the first thing is zero polynomial. See here, x square plus 1 by x is a polynomial expression, their degree is 2. But here x square, x is a base, 2 is the power, and also plus 1 by x. 1 by x is a fraction. You can convert this x, 1 by x can be written as x to the power of minus 1. X square plus 1 by x can be written as x to the power of minus 1. Here x to the power of 2 from this term, plus 2 is power, the plus 2 is a whole number. But here x to the power of minus 1 is not a whole number, minus 1 is a negative integer. So this is not a polynomial because here non-negative number, negative number. But in polynomial the power should be a positive power. See here 2, minus 5, 6 are examples of a constant term. Examples of the constant term is x square plus 4x plus 2. Plus 2 is a constant term. Polynomials, that constant polynomial 0 is called the 0 of the polynomial. See here, for constant here there is no any variable here, any power, there is no any power, so it is equal to 0. That is called as 0 polynomial. 0 polynomial is nothing but every polynomial in one variable. One variable is nothing but that is linear. One variable as a unique U0. Unique U0 means a single zero. Two non-zero constant. Two non-zero. The value must not be equal to 0. Polynomial has non-zero and every real number is a 0 of the 0 polynomial. Every real number is a non-zero polynomial. Real number. What is the meaning of real number? Real number is nothing but both rational and also irrational number. See, this is the definition of a zero polynomial. Zero polynomial means every polynomial in one variable has a unique U0. A two non-zero constant polynomial has non-zero and every real number is a 0 of the 0 polynomial. See, on the basis of 0 polynomial, see here, they given some examples here. 4x square minus 3x plus 7. See here, from these examples, 7 is the constant term. 7 is the constant term. See, from this example, how many terms are there? Here, we have 3 terms. First term is 4x square minus second term is 3x and the third term is 7. And moreover, from this example we used only a single variable. A single variable or one variable, that one variable is x. See, this is an example for polynomial in one variable. Here we used only a single variable. That single variable is x. The next example is x power 10 plus y power 3 plus 10t power 15. Here also we are using three weight terms, x to the power of 10, y to the power of 3, t to the power of 15. But this is also an example of polynomial, but we used how many variables? Three variables, x, y and t. How many different letters we used here? Three letters. So this is an example of polynomial in three variables. From the first example we use a single variable. Next, how to write the coefficient of x square and how to identify the coefficient. See, we discussed about how to identify at specific terms. Coefficient means here, for example, what is the coefficient of x square? What is the coefficient of x square? See here, 2 is the power, x is the variable, the constant term, the coefficient is 1. What number behind in that variable? That is the coefficient of specific term. See, from the first example, write the coefficient of x square. You have to write the coefficient of x square. Which term having the degree is 2, you have to write that term's coefficient. From the first example, 2 plus x square plus x. 2 plus x square plus x. See here, this is the x square term. What is the coefficient of x square? See here, there is no any number, means that coefficient is 1. What is the coefficient of x square? The coefficient of x square is 1. Next, from the second example, 2 minus x square plus x cube. See here also, x square minus x square. From this example, the x square is including this sign, their coefficient is minus 1. Don't neglect that minus. The coefficient of x square is minus 1. Next we move on to third example. Pi by 2 x square plus x. Pi by 2 x square plus x. For this here, the coefficient of x square is pi by 2. Pi by 2. Next is fourth exercise. Square root of x minus 1. See here, they asked here what is the coefficient of x square. But from this example, there is no x square term. See here, there is no that term, means that is understood that coefficient is 0. Through this way, we can easily find out not only for x square, x also, x cube also, you have to write coefficient. Next term is write the degree of the polynomial. Degree means power or exponent. Write the degree of the polynomial. See, for the first example, 5x cube plus 4x square plus 7x. From this example, you have to write the degree. Degree means while writing a degree, you should see the expression which is the highest degree. Which is the highest degree, you have to write that power. From this expression, the highest degree is 3. So, the degree of the polynomial is 3. From the second exercise, y minus 4 minus y square, here also the degree is 2. From third exercise, 5t minus square root of 7. See, this is an example for linear equation. Linear equation means an equation involving a single variable and its degree is 1. So, the degree is 1. Next is 3. Here there is no any variable or any algebraic term. So, the degree is 0. Through this manner, we can easily write the degree of the polynomial. Degree of the polynomial is nothing but the highest degree of the algebraic expression. Next is find the value of the polynomial. Find the value of the polynomial. They give an example here. 5x minus 4x square plus 3. You should substitute the values of 0, minus 1 and 2. You should find the value of the polynomial. See here, 5x minus 4x square plus 3. Put x is equal to 0. Instead of x value, you have to substitute 0. 5 into 0 minus 4 into 0 square plus 3 as it is. 5 0 0 is multiplied by anything, the product will be 0. 5 zeros are 0 minus 0 square is 0. 0 into 4 is 0 plus 3. The value of this expression is 3 while substituting the value of 0. Next you take x is equal to minus 1. Again for the same equation you substitute the value of minus 1. 5 into minus 1 minus 4 into minus 1 whole square plus 3. Plus into minus minus, 5 ones are 5 minus 1 into minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 1. Minus into minus is plus, 1 ones are 1. So 4 ones are 4 plus 3. Again you do signs multiplication. Minus into minus is plus, plus is nothing but addition. 5 plus 4 is 9, the greater number sign is minus and plus 3. Again minus into plus is minus, minus is nothing but subtraction. 9 minus 3 is 6 and the greater number sign is minus. The final value is minus 6. Next the value of x is 2. 5 into 2 minus 4 into 2 square plus 3. 5 2s are 10 minus 4 into 2 square. 2 square is nothing but 2 is multiplied by 2 times. 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16. 4 4s are 16 plus 3. 10 minus 16 is minus 6 plus 3, so difference is plus 3. Through this manner, you should find out the values of a definite value for the polynomial expression. Next is how to find out a zero polynomial, or the value is 1 or value is 2, like that. For different value, how to find out their polynomial value. See here, they given a polynomial expression x minus 1 and x plus 1. See here, this is two binomial expression. First you have to convert